Here at Steam Green, we focus on using natural products to eliminate an odor source, in this case cat urine. And what shows up under a black light is the phosphorus part of the cat urine. The black light allows us to find the spot so that we can treat it with a product that will break it down chemically.
When we treat for pet urine, what we try to do is we try to put enough product down to rehydrate all the urine crystals that were actually down in the carpet. And we can do another initial clean on the top of the face fiber, because when we do the deep remediation, we're focusing on the actual backing of the pad and the backing of the carpet, because that's where the source of the problem is.
Normal carpet cleaning, we're just affecting the face fiber, and we're not able to actually get to the backing or the pad. That tool is not designed to extract subsurface. So here, we're going to put a solution on here that will break down the urine crystals, help with the discoloration, and then we have a tool to extract the urine from the backing of the carpet and the padding, thus eliminating not only the contamination, but also getting rid of the odor on a molecular level. We have many happy customers that love their pets and they don't have an effective way to remediate. This is the process that we found works best. I am basically my own best customer, having 2 naughty dogs and a cat. So for total remediation, we've actually pulled the carpet back, replaced the tack strip, put a sealer that has an odor barrier on the subfloor to lock in any odor that's there. We would treat the carpet front and back and clean both sides since we have it back, dry it, come back the next day, put new tack strip down, new padding, and we've actually done that here in several rooms. It was a pretty big project, but it works. Every home that we go into, we're sure to lay down sheets and just protect everything before we bring any equipment in. These corner guards, even though our hoses are rubber or plastic and they typically wouldn't cause any damage, we just want to ensure that going around corners that we're protecting any wood or walls. And then, just having these sheets down actually creates less cleanup as well, because if you walk off damp carpet onto a wooden floor, you're going to see your shoe prints, and then we're going to have to wipe those up. So it's just better to, protect the customer's home and show them, what type of service you can provide, and that you're concerned about their belongings. We developed a drying room and a whole process to be able to eliminate urine, odor, and crystals, not only from carpet, but upholstery. Cat urine on upholstery, the first job that we had taken on, we went and we got 8 pieces of furniture, brought them back to our shop, and aggressively treated the cushions and extracted them, cleaned them, and realized that we were going to need that drying room to be able to dry it overnight to get all that moisture out of the cushion after we eliminated the odor source. Our big focus is on using only natural products to clean with. We feel like, cleaning shouldn't involve removing one contaminant just to leave another. And quite frankly, we work around it every day, so we're more concerned about it than anybody else. So we do offer carpet cleaning, tile and grout, hardwood cleaning and refinishing using green, low VOC finishes that are water-based. We also do upholstery. We've also partnered with a company in Australia that's about 20 years ahead of anybody else as far as the mold restoration or remediation, and we're doing mold.